pencil, agenda binder, assigned seats. Everybody fill in your homework. Hope you're all doing well. You're staying safe. We're going to first start off with a little lava. Get our hands washed. All right, so this week we're learning about cell division. And cell division has a fancy name. It's called mitosis. Our essential question: what is mitosis, also known as where do you pee? Huh? What's that all about? More in a minute. First, your homework. Please email me your responses or email me a photo of your responses when you have completed all of this week's assignments. All right, Thursday. This Thursday at 9 o'clock, full moon wolf howl. It's the last one of the year. The next full moon will be during summertime. So, 9 o'clock, howl at the full moon. It's called the flower moon. And now it's time for mitosis. Where do you pee? We're going to start with a song. It goes like this. Once you were one cell old, you were called a zygote. A zygote? Yes, when you were one cell big, that's what you were called, a zygote. Here's how it works. Let me show you a short little video that will kind of explain all this. This is you. When you were one cell big, you got 23 chromosomes from your dad, 23 chromosomes from your mom, and those 23 plus 23 joined together at conception, and you were one cell big, a zygote, with 46 chromosomes, which is how many chromosomes we have in all of our cells. Then, cell division happens, also known as mitosis. Here we go. Let's watch what happens. After about 24 hours or so, you divided into 2 cells, and they were identical. And then you divided into 4 cells, and they were identical. And then into 8 cells. And you just kept on growing and growing and growing into 16 cells. And this is all called mitosis. Mitosis is when the parent cell divides into 2 identical daughter cells. And that's going on inside of you all the time. Every time, oh, I got a boo-boo. I got an owie. That means I need to make more cells. Well, thankfully, through mitosis, that's what is going to happen. Actually, you might not believe this, but every second, about 20 million of your body's cells go through mitosis. 20 million every second. All right, let's see how this works. Awesome. This lesson involves gummy worms. Come on around here. Now the answer to our question, where do you pee? The answer, I pee on the mat. I-P-M-A-T. I pee on the mat. During interphase, the cell is just kind of going along being a cell. And near the end of interphase, all of the chromosomes, which are made of DNA, which contain your genetic code, they duplicate themselves. So now, the end of interphase. We then move on to prophase. During prophase, the nuclear membrane disintegrates, and all the chromosomes kind of clump together near the middle of the cell, kind of near the center. At metaphase, meta means middle. They all line up in the middle. During anaphase, they kind of get pulled away from each other to opposite sides of the cell. The A of I pee on the mat. Then, once that happens, all the chromosomes go to opposite sides and 2 new cell membranes form. This is called cytokinesis, where you end up with 2 identical cells. And this is going on inside of you. It's called cell division. It's called mitosis. Now, one of your bonus activities this week is to get some shaving cream, and you can practice the steps of mitosis. This is kind of fun. All right, so we're going to start with a cell. Let's say it's a skin cell, and you got your boo-boo, your owie, And there's your skin cell. And here's the nucleus in it. And you have some chromosomes inside your nucleus, which contain your genetic code made of DNA. In interphase, that's an I, interphase, there you go, the cell chromosomes will duplicate inside the nucleus. Then we get to the M of mitosis. No, the P of mitosis, and the cell membrane disintegrates. Now, all those chromosomes kind of clump together near the center. This is the P, prophase. Then, the next phase of mitosis, M stands for middle, metaphase. All those chromosomes line up in the middle. In the middle, there's metaphase. After metaphase comes anaphase, the A of IP on the mat. Anaphase. At this point, all those chromosomes kind of get pulled away from each other, and they get pulled by these things called spindle fibers to opposite sides of the pole, or opposite sides of the cells, to opposite poles. And then we get to the final stage, which is the T of IP on the mat. And that phase, 2 brand new cells form. Nuclear membranes reform, and you end up with 2 identical cells to the parent cell that started. And this is the T telophase. And this process where 2 cells separate is called cytokinesis. So, eat some gummy worms, play with some shaving cream, learn about mitosis, so that you can figure out how you went from 1 cell old, you were called a zygote, into the trillions of cells that you are now. Have a great week. We'll see you next week. Bye.